watch the storm right now, and we're going outside to watch it. See, so here we are outside, and see, there's the rain, and see, there's the rain. As you can hear, it's getting harder. As you can hear, it's getting harder and harder. As you can hear, it's getting harder and harder. And the storm cloud is right above my freaking house. Dude, what the? So yeah, this is not a situation you want to be in with an expensive electronic. Okay, so this is like, you know, a storm with kind of torrential rain. Now and see, there's the thunder. And you see, there's the. And you see there. See, there's the. There's the thunder. It can't harm you, but it is kind of scary for some people. Now, it's just crazy about the fact that literally I'm out here watching the storm right now, and I'm only 8 years old. I'm only 8 years old. Yeah, so it's getting kind of hard. It's getting kind of hard out here, and you know, it's just crazy. And what the heck is that thing? Okay, so we're going inside. Here's Cat. Yeah, hi Cat. Here's Romeo. Not the smartest of the bunch. Not the smartest of the bunch. In fact, he's quite dumb. Hi Yitty. Hi Cat. So, just a minute. Grandma. I just went outside on the screen porch to watch the storm for a minute.
You did?
Yep.
It's raining pretty hard now, isn't it?
Yep. And here's a hateful one. Not very nice. Pretty hateful.
Oh, Lucy's always slinking around. Here, you want to come sit
You can
on?
be petted sometimes if she allows you. Currently, it's kind of hard trying to hold an iPad. Kind of hard trying to pet a cat and hold an iPad at the same time. And she liked that. And ooh, yeah, she liked him. Ooh, yeah, she liked him. Yeah. So, torrential rain moving. I go up to my room. I go up to the bat cave. Go up to the bat cave. Here's my awesome man / bat cave. That's kind of a wreck right now, but figure out when I do that soon. You can barely see. So I'll turn my